Hi everybody, welcome to Storytime with Jen. My name is Jen. What's your name? Magnificent! Today we'll be reading a story out of this big book called Stories of the Seasons. But first, let's tickle those ears to make sure they're ready to listen. Are you ready? Great, let's begin. Little Raindrop, written by Melanie Joyce and Suzanne Fosse, and illustrated by Gina Maldonado. Little Raindrop. When I was a raindrop, I lived up in a cloud. One day, thunder rumbled by and boomed out very loud. Come now, little raindrops, get ready to let go. You've got important work to do down in the world below. A flash of zigzag lightning streaked across the sky. Ooh, cried all the raindrops. See you later, cloud. Goodbye. They jumped into the air and I jumped with them too. Have fun, said Cloud. I wish that I could come along with you. Down and down we fell, giggling and shouting, whee! Oh, what fun to be a raindrop flying free. From high up in the sky, we saw the earth below. Sunbeams shone through us and made a lovely big rainbow. After that, quite suddenly, I landed with a splat and dribbled down the tail of a soggy farmyard cat. Bloop. I seeped into the soil, trickling down and down, past the pink wiggling worms far below the ground. I saw a friendly mole who was digging by some shoots. Before I knew it, I'd been sucked into the roots. I traveled slowly up the stem. It was quite a climb. Phew! Hello, smiled the flower bud. You're here just in time. This way, the flower told me, and then it opened wide. What a nice surprise to see my raindrop friends inside. We had so much fun sharing stories of our day as the warm sun slowly set and the light faded away. We tried to count the stars instead of counting sheep, but the petals were so comfy, we all fell fast asleep. When the morning came, the sun shone hot and bright. We all felt quite peculiar, sort of shaky and light. Slowly, we drifted upward. There was no way to resist, for I and all of my raindrop friends had turned into a mist. What's happening? I asked, floating higher with the crowd. The others laughed and said, we're going back into our cloud. Welcome back, said Cloud. I hope you all had fun. It's time for you to rest now that there's lots of sun. But soon the wind will blow again and turn the weather vain, and you'll have more adventures. Next time it starts to rain. When it rains, water droplets fall from the clouds down to the earth. There they trickle into rivers or seep into soil, where they are sucked up into the roots of thirsty plants. When the sun shines, the water droplets warm up and turn into mist, which floats up to the sky. As the droplets cool down again, they turn back into clouds. Now the water cycle can begin again. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you later.